welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. See how we go. I mixed these paints up the day before yesterday, so they were bubble free, but obviously I've had to stir them again because it's quite hot here at the moment. So I've had to stir them and put a little bit more varnish in because they've gone a little bit thick. So hoping I've got that's still a little bit thick, that one. This one isn't a new one I've mixed up. This is from a while back. So we'll start off with these three first. They're from the new release from this little piggy by Fluid Art Co. And we've got beautiful purple called Zimzelen, which means periwinkle in Slovenian. That one's named after the lovely Fiona. And then we've got this gorgeous gold called Gilded. Absolutely beautiful. So that's the first one. This is the Zimzelen. I hope I'm saying it correctly, Fiona. But isn't that gorgeous? It's a beautiful purple with a blue shift. So pretty. And this is the Gilded, which is absolutely beautiful. And then my third one is Aquamarine, which is a turquoise interference. I should have used a black mixing stick so you could see it more, but hopefully you'll see a little bit of the shift. 1 second. I do have one of the piggies that Shelee and Billy have named for me. This one is my pigment, and I got to choose the name of it. So chiffon, and it's a beautiful, very soft champagne gold. So I'll mix that up to use next time. So put these away. My other colours, this one is Triart Transparent Purple, and this one Matisse Red Violet, Australian Red Violet, which is also transparent. I decided not to use the transparent purple and the Zimzelen, so just Aquamarine, Red Violet and Gilded. And my cell activator, I use Atelier Copper. Mixed as always with Australian Floetrol, 2 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. Let's get messy.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I follow only golden, 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 golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden, 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 golden things, golden. I follow only golden, golden, golden things.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Dressed in a gown